Long before humans ruled the skies with metal wings, something far more terrifying did. It was called Argentavis magnificens, a name that sounds ancient, but its size, that was pure nightmare. With wings stretching over 26 feet across, Argentavis ruled the prehistoric skies. It soared over South America 6 to 9 million years ago. But Argentavis wasn't a reckless hunter. It stalked the dying, hovered over the weak. With talons like spears and a beak hooked for ripping, it seized the helpless. One moment of weakness, and the sky fell upon you. This flying reaper needed up to 11 pounds of meat a day. Its hunting ground stretched over 500 square kilometers. To the creatures below, the shadow overhead meant one thing: death. Nothing hunted Argentavis, but it did face rivals. Terror birds, giant flightless killers, fought over the same carcasses. Flesh was the prize, survival the cost. Argentavis wasn't just a bird, it was a flying reaper, a living shadow, a reminder that the ancient skies were not peaceful, they were hungry.